रास्ता थोड़ी मिली है पब्लिक को निकलने के लिए, तो वहाँ पे धक्का मुक्की हुई, पैर फिसले, किसी भी प्रकार में गिर गए नीचे। गिर गए तो भीड़ ज़्यादा होने से एक दूसरे को समझ नहीं पाए, तो उनके ऊपर लोग निकल गए।
At least 121 people, most of them women and children, died in a stampede at a Hindu religious congregation in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras on July 2nd. According to authorities, around 250,000 people, more than triple the permitted capacity, had gathered in a village in Hathras district when the stampede occurred. The area, approximately 200 kilometers southeast of the national capital, New Delhi, was full with people. Unfortunately, this is not the first occurrence of such incidents in India. These gatherings have a history of resulting in stampedes causing massive loss of life. The 1954 Kumbh Mela in Allahabad witnessed one of the earliest and the deadliest stampedes in Indian history. Over 800 people lost their lives as chaos ensued during the religious festivities, marking a tragic beginning to a series of similar incidents in years to come. In January 2005, more than 265 Hindu devotees died and hundreds more injured at the Mandhar Devi temple in Y-Town, Maharashtra. The stampede was reportedly caused by slippery steps leading up to the temple. In 2008, the Naina Devi temple in Himachal Pradesh became the site of a devastating stampede, killing 162 pilgrims and injuring over 400 people. In September 2008, 250 people were trampled to death at the Chamundagarh temple in Rajasthan during the Navratri festival, which celebrates the goddess Durga. In March 2010, at least 63 people, more than half of them children, died in a stampede at a Hindu temple in Uttar Pradesh. The chaos was caused by a massive rush for free food and clothes. In 2010, 5 devotees were killed and several others injured in a stampede at the headquarters of Dera Sacha Sauda in Sirsa. The stampede occurred during the celebrations of Dera's Foundation Day. On January 14, 2011, a stampede near the Sabrimala shrine in Kerala took the lives of 106 devotees. The incident occurred when returning pilgrims collided with a group moving in the opposite direction. In February 2013, at least 36 Hindu pilgrims died in a stampede during the Kumbh Mela in Uttar Pradesh. In November 2013, around 115 people died and more than 100 injured at the Ratangarh temple in Madhya Pradesh. In January 2014, at least 18 people died in a stampede in Mumbai after thousands gathered to mourn the death of Muslim spiritual leader Sayyidina Muhammad Burhanuddin. In 2014, Gandhi Maidan in Patna became the epicenter of stampede during the Dussehra celebrations, with 33 people lost their lives and dozens were injured. Varanasi, one of India's holiest cities, experienced a stampede in 2016 during a religious procession where 24 people died and several were injured. On the first day of 2022, a stampede at the Vaishno Devi shrine in Jammu and Kashmir led to the deaths of 12 devotees and injuries to more than a dozen others. The tragedy happened as a huge crowd of devotees tried to enter the shrine through its narrow entrance.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.